Hello everyone, let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform Unacademy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. Hello my dear scholars, I am G. Vijay Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam 7472. Here it is a super short introduction about me. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board examinations. Crack all the CBSE exams by taking the Plus subscription so that you can access unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. इंडिया के जितने भी बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स हैं वो आपको पढ़ाएंगे यहाँ पे. What you'll get daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, unlimited access. With one subscription, all the subjects you can go with the live and recorded courses and number of time. जितनी बार हो सके उतनी बार आप recorded version आप देख सकते हो. So there is a complimentary with CBSE. The creative corner also you'll get with the same amount. So what is that creative corner? You will get A to Z development. So for in every areas you can develop yourself. So there are two different subscription, Plus and Iconic subscription. What are the benefits you have in the Plus subscription? You will get the same, and apart from that you will get a special premier things also will happen. Personal mentorship, live doubt session, parent connect, study planner will be provided. Okay. So referral code you have to use for getting 10% of instant reduction. VM CBSE या SP Vijaya. Any code you can use. Any code you will if you use you will get a 10% of reduction. Okay, so these are the Plus subscription offers. These all are the very best of the best options. You just go for it. Then we have this Iconic. There also you can use my code SP Vijaya or VM CBSE. SP Vijaya. Anything you can use here. Okay. So here we have 5 different things are there. 36 months course also there. Everything is best of the best option. Just go for it. Okay. So daily I take special classes in the Unacademy learning app. That is at 2 PM and 6 PM. 6 PM को हमेशा 1000 PYQs चल रहा है NTSC का. Where I am covering complete science, physics, chemistry and bio. Along with that maths also. Math. Okay, mental ability. Okay, mental ability also you will get. Okay, you can prepare now from all the top educators. These are few of the top educators who teach the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. So we are in touch with Telegram app also. Quest and CBSE is our channel where you will get all the subjects updates. So Unacademy learning app आपको इंस्टॉल करना है. उसके बाद गोल फॉर CBSE क्लास 10 करना है, सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है. वहाँ पे कोड मांगा जाएगा. योर ओन एजुकेटर विजया मनोरमा का CBSE VM CBSE आपको डालना है. यहाँ आपको डालने से आपको 10% का रिडक्शन मिलेगा. हैप्पी लर्निंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगी और यू विल गेट ओवरऑल A1. ओके. सो सुपर 30 का जो सीरीज चल रहा है 1000 PYQs एज ए पार्ट ऑफ दैट एवरी डे एट 3 PM. नाउ इट इज चेंज्ड. एवरी डे एट 3 PM नाउ इट इज. ओके. सो फॉर ऑल द बेस्ट. टुडे इट इज 15th part we are doing. It is of Madhya Pradesh. आज मध्य प्रदेश का कर रहे हैं. The numerical ratio of displacement to distance covered by a moving object is. Okay, इसका क्या तो ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देखते हैं. This is your first question. The numerical ratio of displacement to distance covered by a moving object is. यहाँ पे हम क्या लिख रहे हैं? Distance displacement. Okay, greater than and equal to also. So it is 1 displacement or distance. So क्या हो जाएगा ये? Finally d you will get d. It is either equal to or less than 1. Either equal to or less than 1. Okay, so d is the right option. Next, second वाला थोड़ा easy है ना पेपर. The SI unit of retardation is acceleration retardation. Okay, अगर acceleration का meters per second square है तो -a का भी same होगा in negative. Okay, that's it. Meter per second square. B is the right answer. Okay, देखो third वाला. When white light passes through the prism, color which deviates the least. Which color deviates the least? Least deviation, largest wavelength. Okay, so what is that? Correct answer is red. Red, least deviation, largest wavelength. So the answer is A. प्रैक्टिस करो बेटा, मुझसे पहले आप लोग आंसर दे दो. हाँ, चैट बॉक्स में आंसर दो. कोई डाउट हो तो आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो. 3 o'clock को भी क्लास होता है एंड अगेन 9 o'clock ऑल्सो आई हैव क्लास नो. So I am just checking the comment section. Whatever the doubts, if you write, I am going to take a doubt clearing session also once. So that's why you write down there. Okay, 2 parallel wires carrying current in opposite direction. What will happen? Two parallel wires carrying current in opposite directions. What happen? Attract each other, repel each other, do not affect each other, get moved to perpendicular to each other. देखते हैं क्या होता है. Two parallel wires, if it is two parallel wires in opposite direction. So what will happen? Two current carrying wires are in opposite direction. Two parallel wires, they are moving. When they are in opposite direction, they will repel each other. Repel each other. Okay, if the two parallel wires are here, the answer we got, it is B. It is B, the answer is which we got. So if two parallel wires are in same direction, if two parallel wires in Karthik same direction, same direction में हो तो they will attract each other. They can attract each other, but our question is here, what will happen? They will repel each other. Okay, move to the next question. Fifth one. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, इजी है ना. Inside a magnet, lines of force move from inside the magnet. Inside the magnet, magnetic field lines are moves from. ये हो गया आपका magnet. North pole and south pole. They raised from here. Okay. Okay, so if it is outside, they are from north to south. If it is inside, how it is inside? जल्दी जल्दी लिखो. Already magnetic effects of current मैंने पढ़ाया ना. Most of the children have attended. Just tell me. From north to south, it is outside. Okay. Inside what happens? Tell me. Inside it is from, arrows are only showing, no, south to north. So inside the magnetic field magnet, the lines of force move from south to north pole. South to north pole. Okay, C is the right answer. Outside, north to south. Okay, and here it is inside, south to north. Okay, south to north. Okay, next sixth का देखते हैं. Light travels fastest in which of the following materials? Diamond, water, glass and air. Light travels fastest. Speed of the light is, light can travel through vacuum also. Okay, so what is the speed of the light in air? It is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So air, it is very fastest. Okay, so answer is D. Answer D. Okay, चलो next question, seventh वाला. हाँ, so the value of acceleration due to gravity is, what is the formula of acceleration due to gravity? R square. Okay, so suppose I have taken, this is the earth, this is the center. Okay, here mg equal to g mm by r square. Okay, so here the maximum at the equator, radius is maximum at equator. Radius is maximum at equator. Okay, and least, as it is very much maximum, the maximum difference you will find, no, so that's why the gravity is least. Okay, so what is the answer? Seventh one, least at equators. Radius is maximum, no, so gravity is least at equators, that's why least on equators. Okay, seventh का A is the right answer. चलो, eighth one. According to third law of motion, action and reaction, always act on the same body, always acts on the different bodies in opposite direction. Yes, have same magnitude and direction, act on any one of the body at normal to each other. No, for every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. For every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. Understood? Okay, so according to the third law of motion, which one is right? B is right, because always acts on different bodies in the opposite direction. So B is the right answer. Ninth का देखो, dash is located behind a convex mirror. Convex mirror कैसे होता है? ये हो गया आपका convex mirror. पोल, बस। इसका कहाँ होता है? बिहाइंड द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट इन द बिहाइंड द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर? फोकस। Okay, where is that? Focal length is behind the mirror. Okay, so the focal length is the answer. A is the right answer. Convex mirror का हमेशा right side होता है. 10th, two charged bodies having equal potential are connected. Two charged bodies having equal potential are connected through a conducting wire. Through a conducting, what is that? Wire. Okay, through a conducting wire. In this case, current will flow, not flow, can't say current will flow if a resistance is connected. So 10th answer, since there is no potential difference. Okay, equal potential, no. Since there is no potential difference, potential है लेकिन potential difference रहना चाहिए ना. Since there is no potential difference, current will not flow. Okay, so what is the right answer? 10th वाले का B. B is the right answer. Okay, चलो 11th वाले का the magnetic field inside a solenoid is non-uniform, variable, same at all the points except at its ends, and zero. Same at all the points. Solenoid कैसा होता है? Okay, this is a solenoid. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is same at all the points except its end. These are the ends. Okay, these are the ends. Same. Okay, same at all the points. C is the right answer. See the 12th one. The resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to what? What is the formula? R equal to rho L by A. R is directly proportional to length. R is inversely proportional to A. R is directly proportional to rho. Okay, so these are the things which are present. Okay, so the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to what? Length. D is the right answer. 13th वाला. Okay, acceleration always acts in which direction of displacement? Initial velocity, net force, final velocity. Force, net force is directly proportional to mass and acceleration. Okay, so acceleration which always acts in the direction of force. Okay, so F net is equal to M acceleration net. Okay, that's why C is the right answer. फोर्टीन्थ वाले का देखो. Conductivity of superconductors is what are superconductors? Superconductors are the material that conduct electricity with no resistance. What are superconductors? What are superconductors? Materials that conduct electricity with no resistance. Okay, superconductors are the conductors which conduct electricity with no resistance. Okay, so it means that unlike the more familiar conductors such as copper or steel, superconductors can carry I indefinitely. Carry current, how they carry the current? Indefinitely. Indefinitely. Okay, without losing energy. Without losing energy they do. So they won't lose energy. Okay, so they won't lose energy at all. So 14th वाले का आंसर क्या होगा? Conductivity of superconductors is infinity. Okay, indefinite, that's why it is infinity. A is the right answer. 15th वाले का देखो. If the distance traveled by an object is 0, then the displacement of the object is obviously 0. Distance equal to displacement equal to 0. Okay, so next 16th one. 16th one. Escape velocity of a particle from the earth is approximately what is escape velocity? That escape velocity we can find it as root 2 gm by r. Okay, so minimum speed which is needed, minimum speed which is needed for a free non-propelled object to escape from the gravitational influence, okay, of a massive body, that is to achieve the infinite distance from it. So escape velocity is the function of the mass of the body and the distance at the center of the body. Okay, so it is escape velocity is the function of the mass of the body m, and the distance from the center of the mass of the body is r. So it is the relation of these two, that is only escape velocity. So what is the escape velocity of a particle from the earth? If we see, that is 11.2 kilometer per second. C is the right answer. 17th का देखो. How many times does a ray bend on passing through a prism? How many times it will bend? Once, twice, thrice and none. It is twice. B is the right answer. How? Because if you take the prism like this, light ray went inside. One time, how many times the light ray bent? One time it bent. Okay, now it is ready to bend another time. So how many times it has bent? Okay, how many times? One time, two times. It is Vibgyor. Okay, twice is the answer. Come to the 18th one. Choose the source of energy which is different from others. Okay, sunlight, falling water, wind and petroleum. Batao jaldi. Sunlight, falling water, wind, all the three are natural. Petroleum also natural, but they are different, that is different. Okay, so D is the right answer. Petroleum. 19th का देखो, सॉल्व करो मेरे साथ. Okay, how many times does a ray bend on passing through the prism? Oh, it was repeated. ट्वेंटी also repeat हो गया. पेट्रोलियम. Which of the color is at the lower end of the visible spectrum? ये है आपका, अगर देखें तो okay, like this it was deviated twice. Which one is the right answer? BIBG5OR. lower में क्या है? Which is the color at the lower end of the visible spectrum? This is only the spectrum. Okay, spectrum from prism, so it is violet. D is the right answer. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, chalo. 21. Which of the following is non-conservative force? Electrostatic force, gravitational force, viscous force and spring force. So find out. First I am telling you what are conservative. Just you can identify the non-conservative. Conservative force. What are the conservative forces? Electrostatic force. Next one is gravitational force. Next one is spring force. These three are conservative. So which one is non-conservative? C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Viscous force is non-conservative. What do you mean by non-conservative? Electrostatic force, gravitational force and spring force, they all are conservative because the work done by the forces path independent. Okay, they are path independent. These three are path independent. Okay, whereas viscous force, the work done by the force is path dependent. This is path dependent. Okay, path dependent. Path dependent means what? Path dependent means what? It is temperature dependent and velocity dependent. Okay, velocity dependent and temperature dependent. So if they are depending on these things, then it is a path dependent, it is called as. Whereas electrostatic force, gravitational force and spring force, they all are conservative forces, they are path independent. That's why. Okay, ये है आपका 22. When a satellite falls to an orbit of smaller radius, its kinetic energy, what happens to its kinetic energy? Decreases, increases, remains same, none of this. Kinetic energy means obviously speed, it increases. So kinetic energy, it is increases. So when a satellite falls to an orbit of smaller radius and it starts moving in a circular, starts moving in circular orbit, circular path of smaller radius. Okay, so the velocity of the satellite, so the velocity obviously increased. If velocity increased, kinetic energy also increased, as Ke equal to half mv square. Okay, Ke is directly proportional to the square of the v. That's why the kinetic energy will increase. So B is the right answer. Next, 23. Waves inside a gas are longitudinal. It is longitudinal waves. Inside gas. Okay. Chalo. 24. Which is called Earth's satellite? Which one is called as Earth's satellite? This obviously the natural satellite is natural satellite of Earth. What is Earth's natural satellite? It is Moon. Okay, it is Moon. So Venus, Sun, Venus and Mars, these all also present, but they don't have a natural satellite. Mars it has. A is the right answer for this. Mars has two natural satellites, Phobos and Deimos. Okay, these two are the natural satellites of Mars, but it is not asked. This one is asked. Moon is the right answer. Okay, chalo. It is 25. How many planets have rings around them? How many planets have rings around them? It is 3. 3 planets. Okay, चलो. So पसंद आया तो लाइक करो, पसंद आना चाहिए क्योंकि NTSC का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस हमने किया. आज बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने किया. So many questions actually we have practiced. So जितना हो सके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो, प्रैक्टिस करो बच्चों. Do the practice because practice only give you the result. Already this month is over. One more month if you practice, it will be finish your NTSC exam also. Okay, so in the Unacademy app also I am doing. Here only physics now I am doing. In that I am going along with physics, chemistry and bio. Physics, chemistry and bio and math also. Mental ability. Okay, mental ability also we are going to do. So all of you install the Unacademy learning app. अगर अभी तक इंस्टॉल नहीं किया तो इंस्टॉल कर लो. इंस्टॉल कर लेने के बाद गोल 10 करना है. गोल 10 करने के बाद सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है. जब सब्सक्रिप्शन लेंगे तो BM CBSE डाल के ले लेना. तो आपको 10% का रिडक्शन दूंगी. आपकी हैप्पी लर्निंग चलेगी और ओवरऑल A1 भी आएगा. ओके, BM CBSE रेफरल कोड BM CBSE and SP विजय. कोई सा भी कोड यूज़ करो और ले लो सब्सक्रिप्शन. प्लस का है, आइकॉनिक है, कोई सा भी आप ले सकते हो. उसके लिए BM CBSE and SP विजय, एनीथिंग यू कैन यूज. Okay, anything you can use. So thank you one and all. ये है यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, जिसको मत भूलना. ये कोड यूज़ करने से आपको 10% रिडक्शन मिलेगा और हैप्पी लर्निंग शुरू होगी और आपकी A1 आएगा. ओके, सो एवरी डे स्पेशल क्लासेस आई टेक एट 2 PM एंड 6 PM. सो ये जो यूट्यूब पे क्लासेस होते हैं ये 3 PM को एंड 9 PM को होता है. Okay, so just go for it. Very nice opportunity. So many things we are practicing there. So many things I am practicing. Complete science we are practicing in the Unacademy app. So अभी तक अगर इंस्टॉल नहीं किया तो इंस्टॉल कर लो and attend the classes to win the match. Okay, so let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE को subscribe करो. Hit the bell icon for all the notifications. So thank you one and all.